Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. Excuse me while I sneeze. Um, we're the beginning of the week here, and the market is been a little bit choppy, but that's not unusual. We're still kind of in this holiday week time period, all that good stuff that we are um, having to deal with, and we want to make sure that we're prepared for any things that might happen. Now, this whole deal that has been going on with the fiscal cliff is still being talked about, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. Again, it didn't solve any necessarily of the issues that we're dealing with, and a lot of headlines are dealing with that. So we want to recognize that just because we have a deal doesn't mean that things are fantastic. This morning we had unemployment claims jump up to 372,000. The ADP non-farm employment changes came in at 215,000, which is better than the 134,000 that were projected. Today we also have the FOMC meeting minutes coming out. Not the meeting itself, but the minutes from the last meeting. And then, of course, tomorrow we all want to be prepared for the non-farm payroll, which is coming out in the morning, and we need to just be aware of the fact that that can add volatility to the market, and that volatility can be an issue, especially when we're looking at low liquidity issues going along with the market. Wanted to talk just a little bit about the hourly charts here, and just as a review, remember what we're looking for here with the simple trading method, we'll call it STM, is one, to look for the trends. So whether it's up or down, and we can use a 40 period simple moving average on that to help us identify that direction. Two, we're going to look for support and or resistance. We can draw trend lines. Channels. Things like that. Could even use a moving average. Three, we're going to look for the move to happen above the HH3, or the highest high of the last three. That's going to be closed bars, or the LL3, the lowest low of the last three, depending on if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So as we look here at the Euro US dollar 1 hour time period, we can put onto here, like we said, just a simple moving average of 40. And if we are dealing with this pointing down, we're going to say it's in a downtrend, especially if it's below it. So this is moving down. We are in a downtrend. So we're looking for the price to move back up towards some type of resistance. So as this is up towards resistance, or pulls back, could be in an old level of support or resistance. Right now we're looking for a little bit of a move back up. So on this 1 hour chart of the euro dollar, we really don't have much that would say that it's time to get into this. Let's look here at the Aussie dollar. Boy, the Aussie dollar is in an uptrend here still, moving higher. We need to see a pullback in order to get into this. US Swiss franc, same thing. Pound dollar, trending down. We need to see a pullback, moving back up again. US Japanese yen. So here we're in an uptrend. Moving average is going up. We did pull back towards an area here that we would consider as our support in this case. So resistance becoming support. And looking for a move above the highest high of the last three. That's what we'd be looking for now to enter into this particular trade. US CAD, downtrend, pretty flat here. Again, we want to see some deliberate movements. We're not really seeing it much on this. So on the hourly chart, we can apply the simple trading method and look for opportunities to enter into it as the price begins to move in one direction or the other based on the trend. So take some time to watch that. Remember non-farm payroll tomorrow, and we will take a look at how that affects the market tomorrow. So until then, have a great rest of the day trading, and we'll talk to you soon.